to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. In today's video, we are doing a bathroom clean with me. This is our master bathroom, and it's not as bad as it can be. Oop, there's that light plate missing again, and I don't have my shower curtain put back up. It's in the dryer. But anyways, I need to sweep and mop, clean the vanity, and then obviously that mirror looks really bad. You can see all of the toothpaste that's been splattered up, and some towels need to be replaced. I have all of my cleaning supplies down here, so let's just go ahead and jump right in.
I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no gloves. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed. And I
So to clean the floors, I really wanted to give them a good scrub, and I am using just a mixture of water with Pine Sol to disinfect the floors, and using this little scrub brush that I have and these new gloves.
All my thoughts are running around inside my head. Emotions keep coming, they're keeping me from thinking straight. Thought it would be different when I got my things in place. Stuck in this commotion, how come I ain't past this yet? I wanted me to be somebody else, another me that doesn't need your help. But if I'm honest, I don't think we got it. I tried to change the things you never liked, try to make this better, make this right, but we're the same, even though I changed. Really made an effort.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe if you are new here, and I will leave some more cleaning motivation videos up for you guys. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!